This screen appears when we plan to bulk upload the bank records into vCollect. The Collections Manager clicks on Upload Template, then the required file is chosen and the records are created in vCollect. Then Schedule the Process is clicked. On the click of Account Summary, and by selecting the appropriate filter, we see pre-collection or collection case created for the records uploaded based on the preset decisioning criteria. We can select a particular account number and search in the Interaction portal for the details and status regarding the case. Add Task is clicked and the respective task is selected from the ones available. The probability of delinquency is calculated by considering two types of risk. One is credit risk, based on the financial health of the borrower, and the other is event risk, which arises due to natural or man-made disasters. These two give us a holistic view of the understanding of the borrower as we have systemic and unsystemic risks taken into consideration. As the status of the case is in pre-collections, on the click of Add Task, appropriate options such as Resolve Pre-Collections, Schedule Payment Plan, and Special Circumstances can be selected. On adding special circumstances, task and selecting the one applicable, for example, if it is a health matter, the relevant details are filed and necessary documents are uploaded. By proceeding further and selecting the mode of communication and confirming it, the case will be routed to the appropriate agency. By viewing the recent task area, the case can be selected, and on clicking the process request, the feedback resolution notes can be added. We can add task Resolve Pre-Collection Case by either resolving the pre-collection case or by resolving the pre-collection case and opening the collection case. As we have selected to resolve the respective pre-collection case and open a collection case, the same can be reflected in the status, and now the relevant add tasks are updated as it is now in collections. On clicking Manager Tools and then Register Event, we can create an event. For example, a gas leak disaster. Choose the appropriate risk category, description, state, providence, city, country, age, income category, employment status, and industry segment. The same can be seen in the Register Events. On selecting Transfer the Agency, in the Add Task, we get the option to choose Placement Reason, and according to the reason, the case is routed automatically to a specialist agency based on the decisioning set by the bank. The details of the routed agency can be seen in the collection case. The agent logs in with their credentials into vCollect. The agents can see all the cases assigned to them. The agent can select the case to update the details like contact mode, payment mode, description, payment recovered, transferred to, and status can be filled in. Likewise, on clicking Add Item, all the tasks the agent has performed in the case can be captured. The outstanding, recovered, and balance are automatically updated according to the items added. On completing the agency tasks, pending confirmation from bank is selected, which involves a submit button, and respective fields are updated before it gets routed to the bank's work basket. On clicking Bulk Actions, we see a window of collection cases to approve. On clicking Case ID, we can see respective activities done by the agent. The bank manager can multi-select the cases and establish comments before the approval. Similarly, the bank manager has the option to recall the cases if he or she feels there is a pending clarification from the agent, and can multi-select cases here too, and recall the selected cases with appropriate reasons, clarifications. This is the list of agents on board with respective specialties and commission rates. On clicking Create, we can create a new agency supplier by inputting all of the fields with specialties, commission rates, and contact details. In Manage Agencies, we get the option to edit the agencies on board by either adding a new commission percentage or specialty type. We also have the option to either activate or deactivate the agencies on board by inputting the reason for action. The solicitor selects a legal case, can add their attempts to recover the outstanding, and if any is adjusted to the outstanding automatically. We have templates for letter of demand, and case details are auto-populated on selecting a particular template. On clicking Submit, a subcase statement of claim is created, and likewise in letter of demand, we have a template here too. As the status is pending legal action, on clicking Submit, it progresses to create a legal defense subcase. Necessary details are filed, and relevant documents can be uploaded. We can view history attachments here. On clicking Submit, Hearing and Judgment subcase is created. The agent can select the scheduled date and update the progress in the case. Post-submit, the asset sale subcase is created with necessary details updated. Clicking on Submit will let the case route to the bank manager's work basket now. The appropriate status, pending review, reflects for the case.